Good morning, we are Team 2 and we will talk about the relationship between architecture and sustainability. Sustainable architecture has become a critical aspect of today's construction industry, combining aesthetics, functionality, and environmental responsibility. The demand for energy efficient, resource conscious, and eco friendly buildings is raising, and architects, interior designers, and construction companies must be well equipped to meet these needs. That's where this article comes in, and as your comprehensive guide to understanding and implementing sustainable architecture principles in your projects. Ready to make a difference in the world through your architectural designs? Let's get started. Definition of sustainable architecture. Sustainable architecture is an innovative design and philosophy that aims to create structures that are not only aesthetically appealing but also environmentally responsible, resource efficient, and conducive to the well being of their occupants. By prioritizing the reduction of negative impacts on the environment during construction and operation, sustainable architecture strives to enhance the quality of life for those who live and work in these buildings. Innovative technologies in sustainable architecture, advanced building automation systems, smart grids and microgrids, renewable energy storage solutions, high performance buildings materials, green facades and living walls, Internet of Things integration. By embracing these innovative technologies, architects, interior designers, and construction companies can create buildings that push the boundaries of sustainable and enhance their occupants' well-being and quality of life.
Key principles of sustainable architecture. Sustainable architecture is guided by a set of core principles that work in harmony to ensure that buildings are environmentally friendly and resource conscious and promote the health and well-being of their occupants. These key principles include: number 1, energy efficiency. A sustainable buildings design minimize energy consumption and incorporate renewable energy sources where possible. This involves using possible design strategies, energy efficient systems, and technologies that optimize the building's performance. Number 2, resource conservation. Sustainable architecture emphasizes the responsible use of resources such as water, materials, and land. This can be achieved through efficient space, planning waste reduction, and using recycled or renewable materials. Number 3, eco-friendly materials. The selection of materials for a sustainable building is crucial. Sustainable architecture favors using materials that have a minimal environmental impact and are locally sourced, renewable, and non-toxic. Number 4, occupant health and well-being. A primary goal of sustainable architecture is to enhance the quality of life for those who occupy the building. This can be accomplished by ensuring good indoor air quality, access to natural light, and acute comfort, by creating space promoting physical and mental well-being. Number 4, Number 5, adaptability and resilience. Sustainable buildings are designed to be flexible and adaptable, enabling them to respond to changing needs and conditions over time. This includes considering the building's life cycle, its ability to withstand extreme weather events, and the potential for future modifications.
By incorporating these principles into the design process, architects, interior designers, and construction companies can create sustainable buildings throughout the entire life cycle, leaving a lasting positive impact on the environment and society. Benefits of sustainable architecture. Environmental benefits of sustainable architecture. Sustainable architecture is a critical solution to our planet pressing environmental challenge, such as climate change, resource depletion, and biodiversity loss. By embracing sustainable design principles, architects, interior designers, and construction companies can reduce the consumption of non-renewable resources, promoting renewable and recycled materials, lower greenhouse gas emission by minimizing energy consumption and incorporating a renewable energy source. Preserve and promote biodiversity through responsible site selection, landscaping, and the use of native plants. Economic benefits of sustainable architecture. In addition to environmental advantage, sustainable architecture offers numerous economic benefits, making an attractive choice for building owners, investors, and tenants. These economic benefits include long-term cost saving due to reduced energy and water consumption, leading to lower utility bills. Decreased maintenance costs but increased durability, as sustainable buildings are designed to last longer and require fewer repairs and replacement. Enhanced property values and marketability, as environmentally conscious tenants and clients are increasingly seeking out sustainable spaces. Potential financial incentives include tax credits and rebates for incorporating sustainable design features and new construction and renovation.
My name is Angel Gabriel and I'm going to read a extract of social benefits of sustainable architecture. The social benefits of sustainable architecture are not to be underestimated, as they contributed to overall well-being and satisfaction of building occupants. Green buildings provide healthier indoor environment, result from improving air quality, access to natural light, and better acoustic, ensuring occupant health, well-being, and productive. A sense of community and pride as people feel connected to and proud of living and working in environmentally responsible buildings. Educational opportunities such as sustainable buildings often serve as a limited examples of sustainable practice and technologies, inspiring others to adopt a similar approach in their projects. Some of the strategies for sustainable architecture are energy efficiency. One of the most critical aspects of sustainable architecture is achieving energy efficiency. Architects and designers can significantly reduce energy consumption by incorporating energy efficient features and passive design strategies. Some techniques include solar panels or other renewable energy systems generate clean renewable energy. High performance insulation windows and building enveloped to minimize heat loss and gain. Energy recovery systems like heat recovery ventilators capture and reduce wasted energy. Passive design strategies include natural ventilation, the lighting, and building orientation maximize the use of natural resources and minimize reliance on artificial light and mechanical systems. And material selection. The material used in building play a significant role in its environmental impact to create truly sustainable buildings. Architects and designers should opt for locally sourced, renewable, recycled, or reclaimed materials, reducing transportation emissions and supporting local economies. Avoid materials emitting harmful chemicals or consuming excessive energy during production and disposal. Consider the materials life cycle, considering the durability, maintenance requirements, and end-of-line disposal and recycling options.
Water conservation. Conserving water is essential in sustainable architecture. Architects and designers can implement water-saving features and strategies such as low-flow fixtures and appliances that reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and reuse rainwater for irrigation, toilet flushing, or potable use. Greywater recycling systems treat and reuse water from sinks, showers, and laundry for irrigation or other non-potable applications. Indoor environment quality. A sustainable building should prioritize that health and well-being of its occupants. Enticing indoor environment quality can be achieved by selecting materials that emit low levels of volatile organic compounds to improve indoor air quality, incorporating private ventilation system that ensures constant fresh air and effectively removes pollutants, ensuring access to natural light and views, promoting psychology well-being and reducing dependence on artificial lightings. The zinc space that provides thermal and acoustic conformance creates a more pleasant and productive environment for occupants. Sustainable architecture conclusions. Sustainable architecture represents a transformative shift in how architects, interior designers, and construction companies approach the design and construction of buildings, balancing environment responsibility, resource efficiency, and occupants' well-being and the forefront on the design process. These professionals can create structures that are not only visually striking but also have a positive impact on the planet and its inhabitants. Embracing sustainable design principles, incorporating innovative technologies, and learning from the success of pioneering sustainable projects can help industry professionals create a built environment that truly reflects the values of a more sustainable, equitable, and resilient future. Through ongoing collaboration, education, and committed to innovation, architects, interior designers, and construction companies can address own complex environment threats and contribute meaningfully to creating a more sustainable world for future generations.